Go to the Tools panel, select the Rectangle tool and create a filled black rectangle. Go to the Filters and then down to Colours, and you got Halftone. Default halftone shows nothing, so what you need to do, just quickly go to Colour as the screen and also cosine there, go with that, and you can change the cell size and you can change contrast, still nothing. However, down the bottom, change the grey component replacement and under colour removal, and you can tweak that and you can see great. Just set it to the point where you feel you've got quite a lot of colour there. You can change the screen angle, you can move that around if you want. I think that's quite a nice effect just there. However, what you can do, you can use this as a source. So you can simply go over to the Filters and down to Colours and then go down to Emboss. But look straight away, you've got grey now. What you can do, you can change the radius, and as soon as you do that, you can see what happens. You get this lovely colour effect straight away coming into the image, and you can obviously modify the amount. I think it's just about there, fairly reasonable, and you of course can use the rotate as well. Go up to say 200 or maybe 300. Click apply. Now you can turn this into a pattern layer. Go to a layer menu and new pattern layer from selection. Go up to the top control bar and just select mirror and resize the design. Now you can see design there. Now you can apply other filters. Simply just go to the filters menu and down to distort and say deform. You could use some of the others as well. So deform, add some handles and simply drag. The best probably one is probably similarity. Use linear constraints, similarity. And then simply distort the design. Just by moving those handles around, dragging, and you can always add some more if you wish. Once you're finished, click apply. Now you've got the pattern here, simply resize it and you can see the design there. And of course, thousands of different designs can be created by using this approach. Once you're happy with that, what you can do, you can always save it to your assets. So that's in View, Studio and Assets. Go over to the right side of Assets and there's an option here for Add From Selection. So you can just store it away for future use. You can also use macros. Go to View menu, Studio and Macro. Record all steps such as halftone and emboss. You can also add in some more, maybe Gaussian blur and deform, and apply it to any shape and any fill. To play back, just press play. Have you used the halftone effect in Affinity Photo? Have you used it with black and white, or have you used it with the colour feature? Have you manipulated the colour effects from that? Be really interested to know in the comments below. Also, have you used it with emboss before? Have you ever thought about, and also used any other effects with emboss? Maybe just extending emboss beyond its normal limits. Also, deform and other filters, if you combine those with the halftone. I think it's really quite nice to be able to distort all those halftone effects to create some very interesting combinations of colour. Also, the pattern layer effect. Have you used that feature? I love the patterns. They're really, really good. So easy to do in Affinity Photo. I think much easier than probably near enough any other application. I think it's just a great feature, especially the mirror. I love the mirror addition. So it'd be great to know in the comments below any issues you've had with this. What sort of things, did I do anything wrong? Always great to hear as well. Also a dislike or like. Thank you much.